a massive jelly.
They are ugly jellyfish. Well, we've left Hobart this morning. We're on our way towards Port Arthur, but we're going to stop in this little channel up here. It's looks fairly protected, and then we're going to work our way down to the bottom to see the really big cliffs tomorrow. But a bit of double back to Bruny Island and then head on down south. So yeah, into Parsons Bay, into here. Should be very sheltered and protected in there. And we've got our swell running southwest this way at the moment, so should be dead flat. Big fish farm here. Huge. So we've got the big fish farm here. That's what we're just going around here at the moment. To try and get in up here to Parsons Bay. If you look carefully in there, you can actually see the fish jumping in this pen. Yeah, there they are, you can see them splashing. I'm not sure what species they got in there.
Lots of fish up there. There's lots of splashing. Could be dolphins. I think they're interested in the fish. Straight in. No, they've gone. Yep. That was quick. A quick swim and goodbye. Yeah, I know. They're massive. And what we've got to come is some big cliffs to come. Yeah. The sail doesn't like the sloppy water. Just bangs. So we'll drop it. You're missing the bag. You might have to point into the wind. It's a sloppy fold. That hasn't gone down too well. That's a little bit better. Around to Port Arthur today. This is the bottom of Tassie. You can tell the big swells come through here. Sloppy out here. Got the swell and the waves running into the cliff face and bouncing back. Makes crappy water. Just need the sun to come out so we can get some beautiful colours of these rocks.
better. Polarised filler on. And you can see it. Tape in there.
There is.
Whoa. Look, tender. Very hard to hold the camera still. They're rocking big time after the gimbal. You can see later in the corner there to give some idea of size. These are only half the height of the ones we got coming the next day or two.
Very vocal seals.
They are, aren't they?
Yeah.
The shit there is amazing.
Yep.
There's a shot of those. That cliff face there, that point, that looks pretty amazing. Let's get this handle over a bit further. The wind isn't too strong. Takeoff permitted. Here we go, very nervous flight.
He ducked.
I got air over it.
He ducked.
Never
It's a very nice spot here. This beach is gold. All right, over to Remarkable Cave and the Blowhole if we get motivated. A few thousand footprints, Danny. It's a silica sand, it's squeaky. Oh wow, it's pretty high. It's massively high, isn't it? Oh wow. Oh, wow. And you wouldn't know, just suddenly it just opens up. And I'll try and get it to look down the bottom. You know when you're over it, it's just black. Oh, we need the sun at 12 above us. From 1833 until 1877, the most hardened British convicts were sent on a one-way ticket to Port Arthur, subjected to the strictest security measures enforced by the British penal system. It was also the destination for juvenile convicts, receiving many boys, some as young as 9. Port Arthur was a harsh and brutal penal settlement, with psychological punishment, compounded with the hope of no escape. It was one of the worst locations to be sent, with tales suggesting prisoners committed murder just to escape the desolation of life at the camp, with the offence punishable by death. The nearby island, Isle of the Dead, was the destination for all who died inside the prison camp. Of the 1,646 graves recorded, only 180 are marked for prison staff and military personnel, with convicts buried anonymously. What's the name of the place we're going to? We don't even know. Reuben Challenge or something. Parsons Bay. So yeah, into Parsons Bay, into here.